In 1845 to 1852, more than 500,000 Irish migrated to America because of the crop failure in Ireland. There were around 2.4 million people living in poverty and starvation in Ireland, and over 50% of them went to America. In the 1850s, 26% of the American population was Irish, and the population in Ireland decreased by 20%. The push factor was the potato famine in Ireland, which caused starvation and a depression period as many people were living in poverty. People had to eat the rotten potatoes due to starvation, and many of them spread diseases. The pull factor suggested that America would be a better place for them as there would be better job opportunities, and many were unemployed in Ireland. 50,000 Irish families were evicted from their homes because they had no money to afford to pay the rent. This can be compared to the transatlantic slave trade. It was a forced international migration which happened from the 16th to the 19th century. Over 1 million Africans were forced to migrate to America to do hard labor for the Europeans. Both migrations are international, but the slave trade was a forced migration and the Irish potato famine was a voluntary migration. More people migrated in the slave trade, so it is a bigger scale migration and therefore has a bigger impact. We had thought that America would be a safer place with no diseases, a place where we would be welcome. However, there were many negative impacts. When we arrived, we were often discriminated and Americans were racist to us and called us white Negroes. However, a positive consequence is that we boosted their economy because we did all the hard jobs like farming and construction work. Why Negroes should be ashamed of themselves. America is now overcrowded. A total of 65,000 Irishmen went to New York and all the jobs were taken. We had to put up no Irish named apply signs. In 1851, the estimated population of Ireland was 9 million, but due to the potato famine, Ireland became depopulated and the population was 6 million. They formed unsanitary communities to live in and caused rapid growth. America benefited from this migration. There was an economic expansion as the American economy was growing and the Irish were willing to do all the construction work. However, over 1 million people died and the Irish were often discriminated.